1, pick it up.
So right now we're training for the San Diego Half Marathon, the Rock and Roll. We just came off of an intense 16-week training of LA Marathon. So we're just doing a quick 6-week training plan just to focus on speed. And since we already have the endurance coming off the marathon, we're always training for something. We'll train for a race, whether it's a marathon, half marathon. Session today is 4x400s, and then we'll do 200-meter recovery. And then right after that, we're gonna go 4 miles on the road to work on the turnover and keep the heart rate going. Once we come back, we're gonna recover, and then we're gonna work on 3x1Ks, and then with 200-meter recoveries. Sometimes we do 7 to 10 miles of speed work on the track, so that's pretty wild. So people kind of come out to test their limits. What makes Good Vibes special is we're here. We have pace groups for everybody. Front group is gonna go, so they're gonna go 6-minute pace for the 4 mile steady, okay? A group, and then B group is gonna go at 4 miles.
Most likely it's like between 7:30 and 7:45.
Okay, and then we got the MVP squad, which are around English, and they're gonna work together, right? Just the environment, everybody's welcome. Meaning we have a guy that runs his 5K 15:19, so that's pretty intense, like insane speed. Where we have folks that are coming out here training for their first marathon. So we have all type of speed work for everybody. We're here in South Central, so it's not too many track clubs out here. So that's kind of what another thing that kind of makes us special as well. So we're like central to everybody.
Today's workout was really hard, harder than I expected. This part was the road part. We did like the beginning 4 laps on the track, and then we had to do 4 miles through the city real quick. And that was hard. I don't know why. Just mentally draining, I guess. I like the track. I like what it does to me. I came because of Marvin. That's my boy. And I don't know, the community is great. I'm learning a lot about myself and about running and about community here. I grew up coming to this track and this field for like games growing up, and so it's like a full circle moment to come and train here with all these athletes. Big thing I'm training for is the Angeles National Forest 25K. So 15 miles through the trails up in Pasadena. The LA running community is growing, and it's family. I'm so proud to be a part of it. I'm so proud to be from LA and proud to hold it down and just be a advocate for running. LA has so many communities, but the running community is my favorite. Black women are missing. I'm one of few that come to like these run clubs. There are black run clubs that I have been out to. Competitive running and competitive like training in the black community for distance running isn't really here right now. So that's what's next.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, pick it up.
I think we have something special going on here. We've been coming out to the Rancho Cienega track for 2 years now, just over 2 years. Started off with a group of 7, and now, well, most of the folks have left by now, but we've had groups of up to 50, maybe 60 for our 2-year anniversary, which was pretty amazing. A lot of us have a history of meeting one another through other run clubs in LA, so this is just another opportunity to get together during the week. We come out here, we work hard. I think teamwork is really important. We really stress that in our different pace groups. Really push one another to get a little stronger and finish. Community is what brings me back. Not to mention, it's free therapy. Personally, this community has helped me out a lot, has helped me with a lot of anxiety issues, just to be completely honest. And what I want to do, what I strive to do is give back. So if there's a way for me to maybe give back and do the same thing for a few others that so many people along the way have done for me, then that makes me a very happy person.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, hold up real quick before everyone starts leaving. We want to make sure we thank Jay up here.
Thanks for coming out. Hope to see you again.
Yeah, make sure you guys have a YouTube page, so make sure you guys give it a check. And
People can find us on Instagram. You can find us at goodvibes_TC. Come out and come run with us.